This is why birds don't pee. You've probably seen a bird poop on the ground or on your clothes. That white stuff isn't pee. It's actually uric acid. All birds produce it when they break down proteins in DNA. But instead of excreting it through their urine, they poop it out with their feces. This saves them water and it also saves them weight, which is important for flying. But what about those white patches you see on bird droppings? That's not pee either. Those are uric acid crystals. They're actually white because of the high concentration of uric acid in the urine. The more concentrated the urine, the whiter the crystals. So next time you see a bird, don't be fooled. They may look like they're peeing, but they're really just pooping. Thanks for watching. See you next time.